Yoo-hoo! So, hi, my name is Tapesh. आज हम लोग बात करेंगे. Today we'll talk about uh, my first voluntary. I'm not sure how to pronounce that right, but first ever voluntary job. How to say job? Job is something what you get paid for. This was just like free work. So the time frame is again in the past while I was doing my engineering in India, Nagpur University. So somewhere in between 2005 to 2011, that time, India introduced something called as Aadhaar card, a national identity card. So I had no clue about it. My friend Bharat Lal, he said that somewhere near his house, somewhere is a very small setup in a ground near Mate Chowk or somewhere. And let's go there, make our Aadhaar card. They are using all bio fingerprinting sensor or something, and then collecting data, making a national card for you. And we were learning about biotechnology, and then the word biosensor clicked me that yes, we have learned in theory, but in practical, I wanted to see how this fingerprinting or eye scanner or other stuff works. We had the opportunity to learn in theory, but we did not have the practical instruments in our university to know how stuff are actually. So this was like real time experience, and the Aadhaar card was made free of cost at the starting of the campaign. Later on, people started collecting money, but in the start, it was extremely free. It was completely free, and it was a time frame that during this time, like 3 months or 4 months, it will be free. So we just went and joined that queue to see that if we can make an Aadhaar card. And after reaching there, I got to know some more facts that the Aadhaar card is supplied along with some bank account as well. Means the government is promoting that an Aadhaar card, also an option to have a bank account with some other corporation, what they might be. Hey, baby. Sorry, the birds are just roaming around. So after having that first form, reading it in Hindi as well as English, that you have an option of having a bank account, and I was having an bank account with SBI already, and I was planning to open an IDBI bank for probably share market in future, because that was the trend going on those days. That put even 100 rupees you have in share market, and then you'll have something in the end, which without knowledge you should not go in, I would suggest. Means you have to learn extremely deep understanding to invest in share market, or else the loss is what you would be bearing. So this story is related to the same pattern when we were inside the line and filling out our form. After filling out my form, when we went into the line, the office hours were like the normal government office hours, where there was inside rows of people going in zigzag pattern in a small chamber, probably this room big, and they would be going inside another room which would be of the same size, uh, and they'll be doing all the biometric scanners and everything. So I was in line, and Bharatal was also there, but like according to either I moved out of the line or he moved out of the line for a while, and then the next time he came back and joined, it was like so many members in between us that it will be at least an hour or two of gap when I finish my writing or he finishes his. So I think like he was behind me, so therefore I had more time to be inside that facility while going inside that place. Or he might be ahead and I had like 2 hours, something like that. Probably mismemory. So what happened was we were going inside the line crammed up one after the other. The person was going inside, means each person was going inside with their form in the hand, and they would be doing the fingerprint scanner, then eye scanning, and then some normal details about our name. They will take our full photograph, which is still messed up by the way. Means probably that high kind of cameras were not there because it was a mass gathering of data. Then your date of birth, address, where you are living, everything was being collected there. So that time we did not know that in future there will be data scams about it. So this is very retrospective study or retrospective concept I'm explaining. Uh, After going in, when I was in those lines, uh, so I figured out that because the bank thing is linked in it, uh, because lot of the daily wage workers, they don't have a bank account, so that the money comes into their bank account, that is mostly being given cash in hand to them. And because the money is given cash in hand to them, government have no records that if the labor is paid less or more. Something of that idea was going on, so therefore the bank account was an, what to say, an option for them. This concept has already been implemented in the honest factory region where I spend my life, and it was being implemented in now private sectors as well. So government honest factory is completely government regulated, so therefore the implementation came first there, and the, what to say, workers were paid by bank. They used to be in line every day, sorry, every month, first, second, third, these 3 months. The workers used to be in line just to collect their whatever money they have earned for that month. So like that kind of gaps in the system were there already, because the labor does not think the way a person budgets. Labor budgets differently than a middle class and the upper class. Probably their thinking is different, so therefore their spending is different. And instead of collecting the money probably on 7th, 8th or 9th of that month when there is no line, they would directly go on the first, because they would be needing that time or money, whatever, or they might have just these 3 days off, so they just pile up online to collect money on first. So that kind of feeling was there. So in the Aadhaar card, there was no, what to say, economical disadvantage of anyone. Means people of poor, rich, middle, everything, everyone was crammed up on the same line. So like there was good kind of unity there. But on the other hand, while people were given form at the start of that line, this is the main part of the story, where people were given forms to write about their details. And all the labels, let that be in Hindi or English, they said what it is, means what we have to fill. Or their main issue was they were not able to read that paper where they have to fill their details. And they thought that they are getting some Aadhaar card or something so that they can just put their thumbprints and get over with. And before getting in the line, I thought there was a small place where you can stand and fill all the documents. So I just went there, I was filling my document, and then later on, one of the person of means who cannot read or write, they just asked me that, uh, can you please fill, we don't know what's written here. And I replied to her that it's written in Hindi as well, you can fill it in Hindi as well. So then she told me her problem, that she don't know how to read and write. So that happened, that I said, okay, I'll fill your form. I completed my form, kept it aside, and then I started filling her form. So after filling her form, she told her friends that, okay, this guy is helping out for filling the form. Means I filled out her form. So she got few of her friends, one or two people, that okay, this guy can fill the form for you. So I was like, okay, I have time to go inside the line, or Bharat Lal is still yet to come out. I have few hours for that. So okay, I'll fill some forms. So after that, I kept on filling one form after the other. I told them that sorry, I am not good at Devanagari script, so I have to fill that form in English if they don't mind. So I used to write in English what they used to tell in Hindi. So there might have been bit spelling mistake and the fair share probably like I think I wrote more than 100 forms that day. So there might be little bit spelling mistakes because that was converted from Hindi to English. So there might be like or E kind of errors in name. But that was the only option I had that with that communication gap or with facilities I had it at that time. Interesting part was like when two or three people came, there was a officer inside means who used to open doors and welcome people in to take the biometric scan or something. He pointed out to me that people who don't know how to read and write, go to him, he will fill the form for you. And I was like, when did I take the job? I'm not getting paid for this. Means anyway, asking money for people who are earning so less would be very crude. But like, I was not getting paid for it. I had tuition about 4 p.m. Means we were there from around 2 or 1 p.m. we went there, and we were there around till 4 when the tuition time was going to start. And at 5 o'clock, the institution will be closed anyway, so there won't be any more forms accepted. So like from 2 o'clock till 4 o'clock, I was just filling the Aadhaar card one after the other, and the Babu was guiding people that, okay, if you can fill your forms, or if you don't know how to fill the form, go to that guy. And I was like, okay, that's a free work. I mean, it's what the demand is. And somewhere inside I was feeling good that okay, I'm helping out these people. Whatever the education invested in me, I'm giving out something. So that was completely unplanned, and for a while it was good, but then it came a little bit frustrative when people were when the communication gap was there and they were telling me to do something which I was doing completely out of charity, and they were thinking that I am being appointed with some government authority, and they were expressing their anger towards me, what they expressed to the government officers. And I was like, I'm just a student. I'm just doing engineering in Nagpur University, and okay, this is something. So overall, the experience was good. I would say that I expressed the heat. I felt the heat of people, but I also was able to help them in their needs. And definitely, we all need a little bit of education. Let that be Hindi, English, whatever. Means reading, writing. If it is required in the government administration process, then definitely people at any age can learn basic alphabets and reading, writing, or at least understanding what they are doing on paper. Uh, because yeah, they were just using the thumbprints without even knowing what's being written in the document. And sometimes I feel sorry for them, and other times it is what it is. So like, sorry, after 5 p.m. After 4 p.m. I could not continue. I had a prior commitment, and still I suck at mathematics. I am not good at mathematics even after attending those tuitions or attending those classes. So mathematics is real pain in the ass. Even today, I'm learning with Udemy, and I'm learning with means along with machine learning. I have to learn mathematics to apply in data science. So yeah, it's still mathematics is a struggle, but using my knowledge to help others, that was something. So guys, this was the video. See you in next video or next live, whichever is earlier. Ciao.